Hi everyone, welcome to the day 2 of the top interview 150 questions of Leetcode. So yeah, today we'll be solving this question which is 2 sum 2 where the input array is sorted. So let's read the question. Given a one indexed array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order. Find two numbers such that they are up to a specific target number. Let these two numbers be numbers of index 1 and numbers of index 2 where index 1 and index 2 are within the bounds of the length of the array. Okay. Return the indices of the two numbers, each incremented by 1, because it is a one indexed array. Okay, the test cases are generated such that there is only one solution. Okay, so let's first understand what the question is. So we'll be having an integer array. Let's suppose that is 1 2 3 and 4. We'll be getting a target. Let's suppose the target is 6. So uh, we should return the indices of the two numbers which sum up to the target. In our array, 2 and 4 sum up to the target. So their indices are 1 and 3, 0 based. So we should return 2 and 4, which will be 1 based. Okay. So yeah, the question is clear. So for this, we'll use two pointers. Uh, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll be having two pointers, left pointer and right pointer. And we'll be incrementing the left pointer and decrementing the right pointer until we reach target. Okay, so we'll try run one example so that you'll understand better. uh, let's take the example 1 2 3 and 4, uh, and the target 6. So our left pointer will always be at the starting of the array, and the right pointer will be at the ending of the array. In each iteration, what we'll do is we'll calculate the sum, which is left plus right, which is 1 plus 4, that is 5. This sum is less than the target, so we'll have to increment the sum, right? So to increment the sum, we have to move towards the right, because the integer array is sorted, and moving to the right will give you a bigger number than the previous one. So we'll do L plus equals to 1. Then our left pointer will come here. Now L plus R will be 6, which is 2 plus 4. So we have the target reached. uh, this is what we are going to do. Now let's take another example, 1 2 3 and 5, and the target will be 5. So the left pointer will be here and right pointer will be here. First the sum is L plus R, which equals to 6. So we have to reduce the sum. So for that, we have to move to the left of the array. We have to do r minus equals to 1. So our r will come here. So 3 plus 1, which is 4. We have to increment this. So we'll do L plus equals to 1. L plus equals to 1. So RL will come here. So we'll have 2 plus 3, which is 5, which is the target. So we'll return 2 comma 3 as the one waste. Okay, so the approach is quite simple. So let's code it now. Yeah, so as I said, we'll have two pointers. We'll have two pointers, L equals to 0 and R equals to numbers dot length minus 1, and we'll have while left is less than right. mm, Int sum equals to mm, numbers of left plus numbers of right. Okay, so if sum equals to target, then return new integer array of L plus 1 comma R plus 1 to make it one based. If sum is less than target, then uh, L plus equals to 1, else R minus equals to 1. Okay, and we should have a return statement at the end, because it will be a syntax error, because the integer array should be returned, its return type according to the function. So return new int of, we can return anything, although it will, according to the test cases, there is exactly one solution, which means this case will never be encountered. So we can just return empty array, or you can return 0 0, anything. Yeah, that's it. Hmm. Yeah, this should pass, and it's passed. Great. Okay, so it has passed. Thank you so much for listening. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also keep following. I'll come up with all the 150 questions, and yeah, keep growing. And I hope you make the most out of this playlist. That's it. Thank you.